Ever wondered how to unlock more revenue and offer incredible value to your clients all at once? What if I told you there's a powerful feature within Vagaro that can do exactly that, helping you bundle your services and products into irresistible deals? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Vagaro packages, a game changer for any business looking to optimize their offerings, boost customer loyalty, and simplify their sales process. Think about it. Instead of clients booking individual appointments or purchasing items one by one, imagine them committing to a series of services or a combination of services and products, all neatly bundled into a single, attractive price. That's the magic of Vagaro packages. They're not just about discounting. They're about creating a streamlined, value-driven experience for your clients while securing future business for yourself. From fitness studios offering monthly class passes to salons providing bridal beauty bundles, the possibilities are endless. Before we jump into the how-to, let's really understand the why. Why are packages so effective? Firstly, they encourage clients to commit to more. A single massage might be nice, but a package of 5 at a slightly reduced rate? That's a commitment to consistent wellness. Secondly, they simplify the decision-making process. Instead of choosing between a facial, a peel, and a microdermabrasion, clients can opt for an ultimate skin rejuvenation package that includes all 3. Thirdly, they provide a sense of added value. Clients feel like they're getting a special deal, which enhances their perception of your business. And finally, for you, it means more predictable revenue, reduced administrative work associated with individual bookings, and an excellent way to introduce new services or promote slower periods. So you're convinced, right? You see the power of packages. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually create one in Vagaro? It's a straightforward process, but knowing the steps will save you time and ensure your packages are set up for maximum impact. The first step, once you're logged into your Vagaro account, is to navigate to the Services/Classes section. You'll typically find this on your main dashboard or within your settings menu. This is where the core of your business offerings resides, and where you'll define the components of your package. Once you're in Services/Classes, you'll want to look for Packages. It might be under a tab or a specific link. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with the option to add new package. This is where your package creation journey truly begins. Now it's time to name your package. Be descriptive and enticing. Instead of massage package, try blissful relaxation escape or the ultimate distress bundle. The name should convey the value and experience the client will receive. After naming it, you'll need to give it a brief description. This is your chance to highlight the benefits and what makes this package special. Think about what pain points it solves or what desires it fulfills for your clients. Next, you'll define the package type. Vagaro offers flexibility here. Are you creating a package of services, products, or a combination of both? This is a crucial distinction. For example, a hair transformation package might include a haircut, color, and a take-home hair mask, a service and a product. A yoga immersion package would likely be just services, multiple yoga classes. Now comes the fun part, adding the items to your package. This is where you'll select the specific services and/or products that will be included. Vagaro makes this easy. You can search for existing services and products from your inventory and add them one by one. As you add items, you'll see the total value of the package accumulate. This is important because you'll then set the package price, which will likely be less than the combined individual prices, thus demonstrating the value to your client. Once you've added your services and products, you'll need to set the price for the entire package. This is where your strategic thinking comes in. You want to offer a compelling discount that encourages purchase without devaluing your services or products. Consider your profit margins and the perceived value. Vagaro will often show you the percentage discount based on the individual prices, which can help you fine-tune your offering. Next, you'll define the quantity or usage of each item within the package. For example, if it's a 5-class yoga pass, you'd set the yoga class service to a quantity of 5. If it's a bridal prep package that includes 1 hair trial and 1 wedding day hairstyle, you'd set each service to a quantity of 1. Vagaro also allows you to set an expiration date for your packages. This is a powerful tool to encourage timely use and prevent indefinite lingering packages. You might set a package to expire in 3 months, 6 months, or a year. This creates a sense of urgency and ensures your clients engage with your offerings within a reasonable time frame. Another important setting is the redeemable by option. This allows you to specify whether the package can be redeemed by the purchaser only, or if it can be gifted or shared with others. For individual wellness packages, purchaser only might be appropriate. For family class passes, anyone might be better. Finally, you'll review your package details and save it. Vagaro provides a summary of your package, including the name, description, items included, price, and expiration. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy before saving. Once saved, your package will be live and available for purchase by your clients, both online and in-store. But creating the package is just the beginning. To truly maximize its potential, you need to promote it. Highlight your packages on your Vagaro booking page, on your social media, in your email newsletters, and even with in-store signage. Train your staff to enthusiastically recommend packages to clients who might benefit from them. Explain the value proposition clearly and concisely. Remember, a well-crafted package, effectively promoted, can become a cornerstone of your business's success. Regularly review the performance of your packages. Are they selling well? Are clients redeeming them? Is the pricing optimal? Vagaro's reporting features can provide valuable insights into package sales and usage, allowing you to refine your offerings over time. Perhaps one package isn't performing as expected. You might need to adjust the price, add or remove services, or reevaluate your marketing strategy. Conversely, if a package is flying off the digital shelves, consider creating similar offerings or expanding on its success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.